Today on AFOL TV, we're talking about our custom airport, and it starts right now. Okay guys, so I know we've been hyping up our airport build on Instagram for a while now, but we wanted to also do a quick YouTube tour of the build itself and show you guys all the details. Now, you may notice this is only one gate, and that's because we have only built a small section of the airport. The rest you can find on our website or on Instagram, and it's really just the end section. As you know, we have a really small Lego room, so the entire airport wouldn't fit, only a section would, which we do hope to somehow incorporate into the city, and if we do, we'll be sure to feature it in the next city update video, so stay tuned. With that said, let me explain the airport's modular functionality and give you a quick tour of the exterior, and then we'll also take a look at the interior as well. So, as mentioned, this entire airport is 100% modular. Not only are the sections modular, but the components within the sections and the airport add-ons like the gate are also modular. As an example, the gates can attach and detach from the airport to allow for different gate styles to be added down the road. As the gates themselves have a removable top and an adjustable base, the entire gate can adjust accordingly for the airport. The height is also adjustable, but it's already almost perfect for most Lego planes. But what about the airport itself? Well, the entire thing can be separated to create different layouts, move the airport around, add new sections, or customize the length to fit your city. As you know, this build is only a section, but we do have instructions for all of the other sections on our website already, including a TSA checkpoint, which we also have a free tutorial on our YouTube showing the furniture that goes within. I'll link it down below. But we also have various seating area sections, check-in terminals, baggage claim sections, and more on the way. Head over to www.afolstore.com to view all that's available already, and we have more coming soon. Each section is not only attached to one another by Technic links for a strong bond, but also the middle floor detaches from the base, and the tops come off to access the interiors. But that's not all. The backs also come off for even greater access. The roofline and glass facade are designed to be interchangeable without affecting the design, so you can easily swap around sections and make your dream airport. Additionally, once you decide on the proper length, we have end caps to finalize the edge of the airport and enclose the entire thing. And yes, these are 100% detachable as well. Okay, now let's talk about the inside. As you know, we typically do not do a ton of interior work on our builds. We usually leave the creativity to you guys to fill your builds with whatever interior components you want. But for the airport, we wanted it to be really thought out, and we thought it was important to add interior features including seating, menu boards, gate indicators, movable sidewalks and escalators, and areas for the minifigs to walk around. In the back, there are exposed studs where future stores can be added. Each gate section has a boarding door, a ticket scanner, as well as a security code to keep the airport secure. The TSA areas and check-in areas all also have details, and all of which are included in the instructions. But if you want to add additional interior detail, we're also working on more furniture, such as a check-in kiosk that was just released, more seating configurations, soda machines, and more. All of which will be uploaded to our site, www.afolstore.com, once they're available. Now, we also know that vehicles are a really important aspect of all airports, and exterior details are too. We already have a baggage tractor which can pull luggage to the planes, but we also recently released an airport fire truck, and we have more traditional vehicles in the works such as movable stairs, food trucks, fuel trucks. Keep an eye out for those because they'll be added to our website soon. I think the best part about this airport system is the flexibility that it gives you. Whether you have a small, large, massive, or even a compact city like us, the airport can adjust to whatever your needs are. And you can always expand down the road with more sections as your city grows. Keep in mind, this is a really part-intensive build, so we recommend utilizing Bricklink when sourcing parts and try to find good deals on bulk pieces. Again, our instructions come with a parts file, so it's really easy to order all the pieces you need, and additionally, the instructions have a list of parts needed as well. We hope you guys enjoy the airport build as much as we do. Instructions are already available for download on our website, and we can't wait to see them added to all of your cities. Be sure to send us a DM on Instagram with your images of your airport, and we'll share some of the ones that we think look really cool. As always, if you don't already, please consider subscribing. Liking and sharing the video is also a huge help as well. And check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok if you don't follow us there yet, because we often post things that aren't always shared to YouTube. Thanks again for watching today's video, and we'll see you next time.